हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द 6th एपिसोड ऑफ व्हाट द वर्ड। आज का हमारा वर्ड है गेट कीपिंग। गेट कीपिंग इन मीडिया मीन्स that when you are trying to filter specific messages from being delivered to the audience is known as gatekeeping. Now, to understand this topic in layman's language, when you are going to a specific club or anything like that on Saturday or Sunday nights, you witness a bodyguard outside the entrance. What is he doing? He is gatekeeping people. That means he will not allow single men to enter the club. He will only allow the couples or single ladies. That is how it happens in Delhi, at least. So, what he is doing is he is gatekeeping the audience that will enter in the club. Similarly, when we talk about gatekeeping in media, is the process through which news passes and the editor decides whether it is publishable or not publishable, whether that particular news can enter into newspapers or into the prime time spot or not. तो जब जब न्यूज़ एक प्रोसेस के थ्रू पास होती है जिसके अंदर डिसाइड किया जाता है कि उस स्पेसिफिक न्यूज़ को हम प्राइम टाइम या फिर अपने न्यूज़पेपर के अंदर पब्लिश कर सकते हैं या नहीं, उस प्रोसेस को गेट कीपिंग कहते हैं। फिल्टरिंग मैसेजेस through a specific process to know if that specific report is publishable or not publishable is called gatekeeping in media. So if you understood this, you should consider liking, subscribing and sharing and downloading our application from the link given below, and come to our application to download unlimited free material, unlimited free classes and paid ones as well. Till then, wait for our next video.